welcome to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Jaguar gaming headset from White Shark. So here it is, basically a gaming headset. Okay, got loads of information on the back of the box there, information about Jaguars, just in case you didn't know what one was there. Okay, very handy. And then obviously the headset themselves in the packaging. So what we're going to do is we're going to crack the box open, we're going to take a look, we're going to plug them in, we're going to see what it's all about. Okay, so White Shark Jaguar headset. So let's have a quick look at the box before we pop it out and have a look at the headphones themselves. So usual, on the front there you've got a few little points to take note of. So 7.1 surround sound, which is the key feature on these over the Ocelot, which is the other ones that I've been reviewing. USB interface as well. So it's purely USB, but we'll have a look at that in a minute. 50mm drivers, white LED light, and then volume control on there as well. Social information on the side there. And then on the back you've got a lot more information, specifications and so on. I'll just hold it there for a sec. If you just want to pause the video, you can have a little look at what the spec is rather than me just reading it all out to you. Same with the features on that side as well. And then you've got all the different points on the actual headphones. Zoomed in a little bit on a few of the key features. You know, the key ones, obviously the white lighting effect, you know, we'll have a look at that in a sec. Leather look soft ear pads, which are nice and comfortable, and then the dual headband and self-adaption design. And then you've got manufacturer information and importers information down there at the bottom as well. And then on the side you've got information about Jaguar if you want to learn about the cat itself. Quite a mean looking cat, that particular picture anyway. But yeah, it tells you all about the Jaguar down there, so feel free to pause that and have a little read if you want to learn about Jaguar. Okay, so let's crack the box open and have a look at the actual headphones. So as you can see, the nice White Shark logo on the top of the headphones there. Let's just take them straight out. Get the lead out. Okay, move the box to the side. Okay, so here they are, the Jaguars. So we'll have a quick run over them. So these ones have got nice metal brushed aluminium effect ear pads on the outside anyway, on the outside of the cups. Nice and soft sponge inside, and a like mesh feel inside there as well, which is great. As you saw when it came out of the box, the White Shark logo on the top there, and then this adjustable headband. So this basically fits your head straight away. You don't have to pull it and adjust it on each side or whatever. You just put it straight on your head and it just automatically adjusts to the size of your head, which is great. On the front there you've got the microphone coming out, so rather than a big mic coming around the front, similar to the Ocelots, the other one that I've reviewed. If you haven't seen that video, go and check it out. It has a smaller mic, so it doesn't sit around the front of your face, but still picks up the audio very well, as I've been told. So again, you know, the design is really nice on these as well. But yeah, the only other thing that I haven't showed you is the white LED. So let me just plug this in quickly and you'll be able to see them lit up, so you can actually see for yourself how they look. Just plug that in there. Right, there we go. So the lights come on. It's not very good, obviously, for daytime, so let me just see if I can do something about that. Bear with me. There we go. So yeah, so they light up nice and white, so they look quite smart when they're on. And there we go. So that's basically it. That is the White Shark Jaguar 7.1 surround sound gaming headset from White Shark. I like them. I think they're very smart. They feel very sturdy, very good quality, obviously with the metal plate on them as well. So yeah, so I'll be having a go with these later on. That's it for this video. If you've liked it, obviously drop a like below. Volume controls there, I forgot to tell you about, just a little slider. Yeah, so if you like the video, drop a like below. Obviously pop a comment below if you need any more information or if you want to ask a question or anything like that, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.